Welcome to JW Broadcasting. This month, we will discuss absolutely nothing and more. Imagine preachers work. Preaching works. Preach to the people. Preach, and to bear thorough witness. Give a thorough witness. They were to give a thorough witness. In the late 1800s, a small group of Bible students rose to the challenge of bearing thorough witness. An article in the April 1881 issue of Zion's Watchtower had the thrilling title, Wanted, 1,000 Preachers. Today, Jehovah's Witnesses are bearing witness, but doing so has its challenges. What are some of those challenges? Opposers' negative media report, a barrage of negative media reports, vicious attacks, vicious persecution. No doubt you're facing some form of challenge in your local territory. Extremely difficult times, discouraged, stressed. Have you ever felt that way about your ministry? We cannot begin to give possible solutions to all the obstacles we face today. But it is helpful to learn how others are coping with their challenges, and this can stimulate our thinking to identify ways to meet our challenges. Let's focus on 3 Bible principles that will help us to carry out our ministry successfully. 1. Trust in Jehovah. Trusting in Jehovah. Trust in Jehovah. Trusting in Jehovah. 2. Be flexible. Be flexible. We need to be flexible. And be flexible. In other words, be flexible. And 3. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stayed focused. Focused means keeping our life simple. Distractions take our attention and energy away from our responsibility to bear thorough witness. Bear thorough witness. The challenges of bearing thorough witness. So, in order to bear thorough witness, what kind of challenges did you have to overcome? Challenging. Challenging challenges. Challenge. To add to the challenge, those don't sound like challenges. Did you face any obstacles? The challenge of bearing thorough witness. How do you overcome this challenge? Strength and boldness to preach. The end will come after the good news has been preached in all the inhabited earth and a witness has been given to all the nations. Does Jehovah use his angels to help us today? Be sensitive to angelic direction. If you feel moved to make that one last call, or to speak to the person next to you on the bus, do it. Speak up. It may well be that an angel is directing you to search out honest-hearted, deserving ones, who is rightly disposed for everlasting life. We have to find them. We leave no stone unturned as we search for them at their home, on the street, in parks, in stores, and at the workplace. There's no on-off switch for our preaching work. Our preaching switch must be on at all times. Teach them the truth. The opportunity to bear thorough witness will soon be over. May we use the remaining time effectively to bear witness, bearing thorough witness. Our program has focused on meeting the challenge of bearing thorough witness. You too can meet the challenge of bearing thorough witness. Another challenge of bearing thorough witness was the subject of a recent morning worship program conducted by Brother William Turner, and we're happy to share it with you.
Work, house-to-house work, preaching work. Preaching is a wonderful work. Now, perhaps in the past, preaching may have been difficult, maybe because of just pressure we put upon ourselves. Be productive in our ministry. Find those who are rightly disposed for everlasting life. Or could it just be that we're just tired? The energy that we feel we need, we just don't have it. Zeal for the truth, his strong spirituality, overcome any temporary discouragement. The opposition and the ridicule, insults, and jeering all day long lead to a witness. Great witness.
Tremendous witness.
Show our gratitude, show and demonstrate our gratitude. Gratitude and undeserved kindness. And these are good qualities because they're qualities that motivate us, that move us to action, that touch our emotions. Emotional investment, we are invested emotionally, invested. Stay invested. Remain invested.
As our new music video shows, we can be convinced that Jehovah will always be with his people, no matter what we face.
You have been praying, you have been preaching, you have been loyal through everything. And though we don't see all the trials you face, know that Jehovah is seeing it all. So when you stand in front of court officials, you are not alone. Your example speaks to all of us, and Jehovah knows, for I am convinced that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments, that death, no life, no governments will separate us from God's love. For I am convinced, 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 for I am convinced. So please be convinced, please be convinced, oh please be convinced.
Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I won't do what you tell me. Fuck you, I will not do what you tell me. Motherfucker! Bing, bang, boom, bam!
That was excellent.
Oh, we know that song. We love that song. But have you ever stopped to meditate on the lyrics?